So I'm out here at a new NBN installation today, Leumeah. I've got a HFC relocation today. So basically the NBN tech you can see here, bit of a dodgy job. This is the tradies they're using, not tradesmen, but just the techs. Usually like this type of job you would you drill from the outside in. He's drilled from the inside out and he's knocked all the brick out. And you just look at that, rough as guts, you know. And then even here, look, it's not even sitting in the pipe. And basically I'm here with Sam, and Sam was saying he's trying to rip this out, you know, this pole out so he could get the conduit in behind it. And you know, he's mounted the box here, but originally the box was up here and that's where the customer wants it. So today we're going to remove all this mess on the outside here and do it all internally through the cavity and make this customer nice and happy. Isn't that right, Sam?
Thank you, my word.
Yeah, no worries.
After many months.
The conduit, as you can see, we've put his box back up here where he wanted it, so now it's out of the way, and all that's down now through the cavity, so we don't have any conduits anymore. We've tried to straighten this up because his door wasn't closing properly because the guy bent it out of shape. So we're going outside now. Show now that's where the old socket was at NBN installed, yes. Where you can see the brick was blowing out the other side, yeah. And then we've installed the new one here in his cupboard where he wanted it. So that's just come through. Now there's no conduits on the outside, and that should all be working. And you can see we've got all the lights on, the power, the downstream, upstream, and unline lights. So that's all good. Everything's working.
Thank you very much.